Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and connect the high voltage for the air conditioning system. So first of all, let's go ahead and connect my outdoor fan motor. Now the outdoor fan motor, this one right here will typically go ahead and be connected to your contactor. So let's go ahead and connect that one. All right, that's going to go ahead and go right there. Then my orange wire, that one is going to go ahead and go into the common of my capacitor. And I'll show you where that one's connected. All right, that one's connected right there. And then the last one is my brown wire. That one also goes to the capacitor, but on the fan side of the capacitor. All right, that one goes right there. Now we're also missing another wire, which is my line 2 on my capacitor. That means that I need to go ahead and bring a line 2 to that capacitor. Now I need to go ahead and provide voltage to that contactor itself. I'm going to go ahead and bring that voltage from my main voltage disconnect right here. Let's go ahead and do that. I have connected now my fan motor. The next thing that I'm going to go ahead and connect is my compressor. Your compressor has common, start, and run, so let's go ahead and do that. Now we'll connect my run. And then finally I have my start. Okay, so I have successfully now wired my compressor load. So now I have my fan motor, my compressor load connected. Everything's connected the way it should be connected for my outdoor system. Let's go ahead and connect my indoor fan motor. So we have my indoor fan motor, we have our fan relay. We need to go ahead and bring high voltage here so we can go ahead and reach my indoor fan motor. I'll go ahead and tap into this line right here. And what I'm going to go ahead and do is bring it to one side of my fan relay. And then you have your black, white, brown, and brown-white wires. So that means that now I'm going to go ahead and connect the other side of my fan relay to the black wire. All right. Now the white wire is going to go direct to L2. Now what's left is the brown and brown-white wires. Now these two go to their capacitor that's going to go ahead and help start that fan motor. Now the last thing to do is to wire up my heat strip. So on my heat strip, I'm going to go ahead and use my sequencer, and I'm going to go ahead and use the main voltage that's over here. So if I go ahead and look at it this way, I'm going to go ahead and connect this one to my sequencer and so on and so forth. So let's go ahead and do that. And that right there is how you go ahead and connect your heat strip from your heat sequencer or through your heat sequencer. And this right here is how you go ahead and connect your high voltage for your indoor and outdoor system on your air conditioning unit.